Alright, 1998 Ford Ranger 3.0 liter V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, manual transmission. Alright, so the day has come. Rear upper shock mount install in preparation to where the rear shock will attach to, which will be here. Upper rear shock mount attaching point, which will go to the lower point. I'll try to catch it on the video. So anyway, after you drill out these bolts, which OEM from the factory requires to be drilled out, you'll be installing this rear shock mount with bolts. So the rear shackle orientation is to the rear, and it goes up in here like so. Behind rearward portion of the frame, find the holes, bolt alignment orientation. I'm doing this on the fly, real time for you guys, no rehearsal. It's about 6:30 my time in the evening, so I have no idea if you're catching any of this in low light level conditions. So anyway, I'm gonna throw these bolts in here like so. Please hold it in there in place. You'd use this 13mm wrench. You could hold it on there like so. And on the back side, it uses a 15mm wrench or 15mm socket, which I'm using a 3/8 adapter. So I'm gonna grab a wrench, the millimeter, and let's go underneath. Now I'm gonna set the torque pounds to about, I'm gonna use this torque wrench here, excuse me. I'm gonna torque it down to you could say good and tight, but if there is a torque setting, let's go to 100, if it'll allow me to do that. It'd be the same that I would do for when you put on your wheel lug nuts for putting on your tire. So I'm going underneath right now and getting set up. Putting the light in the right spot. Attempting to do all this